The crypto crash is coming. Sell all your crypto now. Welcome back to the 99B YouTube channel. I'm your host, Umar Khan, and today we're talking about what's coming next for the crypto market. Are we really, truly going to see a crypto crash, and should you actually sell all of your crypto? Now, first of all, before we start the video, I want to ask if you haven't already, smash the subscribe button down below. And second of all, don't sell all your crypto now. And even if I told you to sell your crypto, it's not financial advice, so don't listen to a dude on the internet. Now, why are we talking about selling your crypto crash right now? Here's the thing. We're going to see a lot of FUD in the next couple of days. Unfortunately, it's Friday right now at the time I'm filming this video, and over the weekend, I imagine there's going to be a lot of bears. It's weird. Every time we come to a weekend, we're seeing bearish momentum. I'm seeing crypto going down. Bitcoin potentially could break past 60,000, break below 60,000, which should obviously be terrible and start a whole downwards trend, which we obviously don't want to see. So I want to go into today's video. We'll make it a bit different than what we typically do on this channel. We're not going to look at price action, technical reports, and news. We're going to just talk about 101s for crypto investing and trading. So let's go ahead and take a look at what's going on in the actual market. We can see the fear and greed index is sitting at a 56, which is not too bad, closer to greed than fear, which is good. Overall, crypto market is down by 1.6%, and Bitcoin currently trading at $60,500, or a little bit less than that, down 2% on the day and about 2% on the week. We see other cryptos down as well. Ethereum down about 6%. We see some cryptos pumping. XRP, I mean, should we even talk about XRP? It has its own issues. Meme coins down 6%. AVAX down 3%. We're seeing a bit of red across the board, and what happens is it's going to be a vicious cycle of panic selling. We're going to see Bitcoin potentially, again, this is all potential and hypothetical. Bitcoin breaks below $60,000. People are going to panic thinking Bitcoin is going to zero, which is obviously not. And that's going to cause a whole trend of selling. Now, the reason we would want to talk about a video like this of selling your cryptos and selling your assets is as an investor, you're buying into cryptocurrencies to make a profit. You're not buying into cryptocurrencies to be nice. You're not buying into cryptocurrencies for any other reasons. Yes, maybe mass adoption could be a reason. Yes, maybe you want to buy for a long-term future, which is great because, yeah, Bitcoin's going to be around, crypto's going to be around long-term. But remember, at the core of this is you're buying to make a profit. So if you bought Bitcoin when it was at $70,000 and it crashes to $59,000, do you think it's wise to sell your Bitcoin at a loss of $59,000 or hold it and wait for it to come back at $70,000? Right? Hypothetically speaking, you bought a full Bitcoin, so you had roughly $20,000 loss. It'll probably make the most sense for you to wait it out, right? Especially the way the market's going with Bitcoin specifically, it makes a ton of sense for you to actually wait it out. When we're seeing the chart, right? We can see back in 2017, we saw its first massive pump and really getting into mainstream attention, right? Then it kind of fizzled off, right? Then 2021 happening came again, and we saw it climb all the way to $60,000, right? Then same thing this time around, post happening, we saw Bitcoin peaking, or I guess this was right before the happening, peaking around $71,000, right? If hypothetically, in my personal opinion, we're at the beginning of the bear market. We're at the beginning of the bull market, I should say, sorry. And I personally think we're going to see Bitcoin pump a little bit more. But let's just say, hypothetically speaking, it was going to go in the other direction. It was going to go back into a bear market for a little bit. Realistically speaking, within the span of 1 to 4 years, we can re-enter a bull market, and it could be higher than its previous highs, right? The whole point I'm trying to make across this video, guys, is with cryptocurrencies is sometimes you got to, when in doubt, zoom out and look at the overall scheme of things before you make quick, irrational decisions, right? Even last week when Bitcoin was dumping a little bit, when it was sitting in the $58,000, a lot of people, even people who are into crypto were thinking, oh, we're going to see Bitcoin hit to 45, we're going to see Bitcoin hit to 45. And when you read and talk about things like that, it almost forces you as human nature, right? Scarcity mindset, right? Oh, I should probably sell before it goes to zero, right? And in the grand scheme of things, anyone who sold at 58, you know, then it goes back to 64 and you're like, oh, I shouldn't have sold, I could have sold at 64. Then someone bought 64 and now they see it's close to 60. Oh, maybe I should sell now. The whole point of this is, you got to be a bit wiser when you're buying and selling cryptocurrencies. Now that we talked about some bearish things, I want to talk about some bullish things because there's some really exciting things for Bitcoin ahead, right? Justin, Jack Dorsey predicts at least a 1 million Bitcoin by 2030. Now, who's Jack Dorsey? A reputable figure in the financial space, especially being in the crypto space as well, right? That's a massive bullish prediction, right? That's pretty bullish, right? Big news for Hong Kong. ETF issuer considers seeking approval to trade in mainland. The implications of this are huge, right? The more Bitcoin adoption happens, the more popular and the higher the price of Bitcoin goes, this is going to reflect across the board, even for meme coins, altcoins, and everything in between, even NFTs, right? So it's absolutely bullish, right? See the progress bar of 37%, right? If we're here right now, this is where we were in 2017, 2021, and then we're thinking we're going to pop past in this upward direction, right? Even Donald Trump being a massive supporter of crypto, and if he comes to be president, this could be absolutely massive for the overall crypto market. Again, a bunch of bullish things across the board. We're very excited over here on the 99B channel for what comes next for crypto. We want to make this a video, a more informative and educational style video. So if you like these style of videos, let us know in the comment section below. We can dive into more of that. If you want to see more meme coins, stay tuned, as we're going to be covering more meme coins later on this week. That pretty much wraps up the video. If you enjoy watching videos like this, you know what to do. Smash the subscribe button down below. Until next time, it's your boy Umar. Peace.